Okay, I'm back. Another quick one on my things to look for when you're trying to build your own shop. Uh, it's one that I just thought of, and again, goes back to my dad. Uh, for an easy reference, my dad is just, he's frugal is a is a is a very nice way to describe my dad, I guess. He's a he's the cheapest guy you know you ever meet, and that noise you hear in the background is a tree that's against my shop. So I gotta I gotta get up there and cut that now. It's making some racket. Friend's coming with a ladder that's long enough I can get up there and get rid of that. So he'll be here any minute. So while I decided, heck, I'll do a little short video. So when it comes to lighting in your shop, everybody's got their, LED, this and that, and this and that. Every shop I've looked at, though, that they're doing it in, they're missing one key thing. Natural light. It's free. It's, again, I learned this from my dad because he is the cheapest guy I know. Most frugal guy I know. If they did a TV show called The Frugal Mechanic, yeah, that he would be the star of the show. Natural light. It's free. The sun doesn't cost you anything. You can see in here, this is the first thing in the morning. Sun's just coming up. I don't have a single light in here that's wired in. You see how bright it is? I don't have any light whatsoever turned on. And probably explains the video quality in a lot of my videos. Yeah, my lighting, but you can see, there is no electricity in here. It's bright in here. All along the top, that top panel in my pole barn shop here is all skylight. During the day, I don't have to turn a light on in here. So my power bills go way down. Most of the time I'm in here, it's during the day. At night, that's when the wife gets home. You gotta spend time with the wife. Don't let this whole stuff become your life. Your life is your wife. Keep the wife happy, So, during the day, I don't have no lights turned on in here. It's bright in here. I can do anything I want to do in here without turning on a light switch. The only time I got to plug in a light is when I'm under a car or something, So when you're thinking about that, think about the sun. It's free. It doesn't cost you anything. So I have skylights. Mine go all around, and Dad's shop, they're up in the ceiling. He has 7 skylights in his shop, which is basically, and in fact, the same company that built this shop is the one that Dad got his from. In fact, this shop went up shortly after my dad built his. You started to see them pop up back in the mid-'80s. Anyway, yeah, Matt, if you see this, yeah, this is your dad's shop. You can see what I've done with it. Anyway, before this becomes too long. Skylights, they're free. They do wear out in time. My dad's shop, I think they rate the skylight, the roof tile ones, for like 10 years, and you got to replace them. He's never replaced them because he's frugal. I'll just keep doing my best to use that word. Because it's a nicer word to use for my dad. He's never replaced them. They do leak now. And that was back in '86. So they're way past their lifespan. But when you're looking into doing this on the cheap, take advantage of that. You can do anything you want to do in a shop that's got natural light. Windows, don't lock yourself in. Don't block yourself in. It just makes the power bill go up. So think of that when you're looking to upgrade your shop, looking to buy a shop. Look for ones that have got windows and lighting. All the ones that I see, they're totally enclosed. There's no windows, there's no skylights, there's no none of that. They pay a lot in electricity. And where I'm at, you folks in California, even though I'm up here in Idaho, we're on the same company. We call it Rocky Mountain Rape and Pillage. They're part of Pacific Corp. Yeah, I don't even want to talk about that because we used to have the cheapest power around until we got bought out by California. So pay attention to that when you're looking for your shop. Ways you can get around paying for power. Sun's free. Best light you can have. It's all natural light. You don't have to buy natural light bulbs. Natural light LEDs. LEDs still take power. Sun don't take any. So take that for what you will. Meantime, I'm going to get up there with an extension ladder. No, I'm terrified of heights. Climb clear up there and cut that dadgum tree branch that's there it goes again. Anyway, keep the metal hot. I'm rooting for you.